Assalamu alaikum, everyone. In this video, we'll explore the rapidly escalating conflict between Iran and Israel. What happened, why it matters, and what this means for Muslims and peace in our region. Let's jump in. On June 13, 2025, Israel launched a major airstrike, dubbed Operation Rising Lion, against Iran's nuclear and military sites, including Natanz and Isfahan. This strike reportedly killed senior IRGC commanders like Hossein Salami and Mohammad Bagheri, plus several nuclear scientists. The strike targeted over 150 high-value military and nuclear installations, crippling Iran's nuclear infrastructure. In retaliation, Iran launched more than 150 ballistic missiles and over 100 drones, named Operation True Promise Through, toward Israel on the night of June 13th, 14th. Israel's Iron Dome and U.S.-provided Patriot and THAAD systems intercepted most, but several projectiles struck residential zones near Tel Aviv and Jerusalem, resulting in civilian casualties, at least 3 killed and dozens injured. Israel warned that if Iran continues missile attacks, Tehran will burn, a stark escalation. The U.S. mobilized support, deploying ships and missile interceptor batteries to assist Israel. Meanwhile, Iran threatened to strike Western military bases, including U.S., British, and French sites, if they interfere. Nuclear talks between the U.S. and Iran, scheduled for June 14th in Oman, have been postponed. Iran declared it sees U.S. as complicit due to strong support for Israel. Global leaders, including EU countries, Turkey, and Russia, are urging restraint to avoid a broader Middle East war. This isn't just another Middle East clash. It could destabilize the region, harm innocent lives, and put strategic access to Islamic holy sites at risk, especially in Jerusalem. As Muslims, our salah, dua, and patience matter. We must pray for peace, salam, support humanitarian aid for those affected, and encourage responsible diplomacy. 1. Pray, dua for peace and protection of civilians. 2. Donate. Support credible humanitarian groups aiding affected families in Iran and Israel. 3. Stay informed. Follow verified news and avoid misinformation. 4. Advocate peace. Reach out to your community leaders calling for de-escalation. Thanks for watching. May Allah keep the region and Ummah safe and guide world leaders toward justice and peace. Please like, share, and subscribe for ongoing updates. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.